My name is Maya, and we have this beautiful 2016 Hyundai Sonata. Look at all this storage space back here. You could fit all of your large cargo, but nothing live. Anyway, going around this side of the vehicle. Equipped with a backup camera, as well as Bluetooth capabilities and a CD player. You can also have everything right at your fingertips for easy access to make sure that you don't take your eyes off the road while you're driving. As well as we do have all of this spacious back seat for all your lovely critters and things that you can't put in the trunk. Here at Byrider Fond du Lac, our address is 444 North Rolling Meadows Drive, 54937. Our phone number is 920-204-0300. Call us to find out how you can qualify for this beautiful vehicle.